Hey everyone, thanks for joining me on my second video on how to program in Ruby. So in my first tutorial, I explained on how the web works and how to get your CoderPad working. So since we already have the CoderPad up and going, let's start programming. So on the previous video, we talked about integers and floats. Now we're going to talk about strings in this video here. And what is a string? Well, string is the same as text in a document, and they are represented by double quotes, hello world. Now let's print that out so you can see that hello world prints out. So we can also print hello world again, and you can see that I'm using single quotes instead of double quotes, and they both print out. Alright, well, let's print out some numbers. And as you can see, it print those numbers out, and it didn't evaluate anything because we didn't ask it to. So you can also join strings together with the equal sign. So when you print, you see the 1, 2, 3 has been added to the end of the previous numbers. And let's print out hello plus world. And let's run that, and it prints out hello world. So that's how strings work. Fun, right? So the next thing we're going to talk about is booleans. So what are booleans? Booleans is just how the computer compares two items to see if they are the same thing. So let's try something. Print out 3 boolean 3, and it's true because 3 is the same as 3. However, 3 is not going to be the same as a 3 as a string because we have the quotes in the front and the end of 3. If we change the first equal sign into a exclamation mark, it will evaluate as true, and that's because the exclamation mark is saying that 3 is not equal to the string of 3, and that is true. If we change that to 4, it will say false. So now try to play on a few things and see what it comes out to be. And it's always good to practice and kind of play around with code. And once you finish, come back and join me on the next item on my list, which would be a combination of integers and booleans. So on the integers and booleans, we can say let's print 3 times 3 and to see if that's equal to 6. No, it's not. It should be an additional sign. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So now you can see that we use a combination of integers and booleans to print out something that's true or false. So join me in my next video. We are going to start doing a little bit more advanced coding, and I'm pretty sure everyone will be able to follow along. So as long as you're coding along, you're going to be a master coder in no time.